You know, guys, over the last 10 years we have done thousands of videos about trucks, but this video about this truck, Gunsmoke, is the one that touched the most lives and touched my heart the most. So coming up, we're going to tell you the story of Gunsmoke.
So this is one of the craziest days at TFL because you're gifting us this truck.
I am, and the stipulation is once you're done with it, then we're going to auction it off for Mountain States Children's Home. I've, checked it out a little bit so that I give you a truck that at least isn't just a big pile. But actually it's in pretty good shape, Tommy, and it's got the 7.3 diesel IDI. I think you might want to put some tires, wheels, springs, shocks. It's got some rust.
Unreal, dude. It's just kind of running at about 1200 RPM, and it doesn't care. It's just going.
All right, David, so I have the title. Here's $1.
Thank you very much.
Legal. Thank you for the truck. Really appreciate it.
I hope you think it's a good deal.
We're going to do a bunch of mods, have some fun with it off-road, and then it's going to go to a great cause. So be sure to bid it up because it's all going to charity.
And now the owner has come to collect it. The guys who actually won the vehicle and case hopefully is going to bring it around the corner. We're going to get their first reaction. So thank you guys. I'm super grateful, and I hope you guys like it because there's like the saying that can you put your heart in it, but this truck was certainly a labor of love. We really spent a lot of time and effort to make it right. Here it comes. So what do you guys think? Yeah, check it out.
It's so beautiful. Come on, Dawson, show me what you got, buddy. Have fun in there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, boy.
That's an old school truck, huh?
Dude, it's solid. It's what I grew up in, man. Went hunting in these. This is a great truck. Cool. Beautiful lining job. I mean, you guys did a great job.
Yeah, it's worth it.
It's almost too nice for a farm truck, I gotta tell you guys. We're gonna go play in the hills too, but I'm not used to farm trucks being painted nice.
Yeah, well, don't look too close.
We're alright.
Our F350 IEI diesel project truck is getting a major overhaul today.
This is our donor truck, which has been nicknamed 6-shooter.
So here's the plan. We're actually not doing the bed conversion here at our offices. We are driving about an hour north to our friend David's house. And David was a gentleman who actually donated the F350 to us.
We're going to take this old 1975 Ford tractor and we're going to lift the bed right off of it.
Today we're going to show you how you can prep and paint your truck in 48 hours.
Replacing that quarter panel at the front, that fixed the worst spot of rust, but we've still got a couple issues.
So now we've got a new toy to play with. I went out and bought this $79 Harbor Freight dent puller.
Let's try one here. Sink one right here and see what happens. We're just gonna, after we're done, we're gonna put one of those patches that looks like a gunshot, right over these holes.
At some point we'll drill enough holes, we'll just need a new door.
I bet the bodywork guys are just laughing right now.
So the body's coming along really nicely, but you'll notice there's still areas that are just a little bit imperfect.
So as per usual, we came back to find our truck in much better of a way than we left it because David can't help himself.
I'm gonna keep my hands off of it. I coated it with some oil product that helps slow the rust down, although there really wasn't much. It just all surface rust.
So what do you say, David is in the paint booth?
Well, we got ourselves a booth.
Oh yeah, that's how they do it professionally.
Case, this looks amazing. It really came out better than I could have ever expected. The flake in the paint is beautiful, and for just a couple of days work, you can really transform your truck for really under $700 and do a great job. It looks really good in the sun.
I have a check here, and I have Justin, the new owner, and we'll hear a little bit from him, and then we'll get the money to all these fine folks. Oh my gosh, did you see this? Where all these people come from?
I'm Randy Scow, the Executive Director of Mountain States Children's Home. Well, we care for kids that come from what I call troubled family situations, things that are not going well at home, and what we try to do is provide a safe home for them as they work through specific issues. We try to get them back home with their mother, father, both, and if we can do that. In the meantime, while they're here, they stay here. We work on counseling issues, traumatic issues that they struggle with. Educationally, we help them get caught up 3 to 4 grade levels in 1 year, academic achievement-wise, and yeah, we run on donations.
Well, I mean, obviously family is important to all of us, obviously, and I'm presenting the check, the donation check that was kind of the auction amount for the truck from Justin's family, kind of with all of our help to you. So there you go.
Well, thank you. This is tremendous. This is just a tremendous amount. Thank you, Justin. Appreciate that very much, and be very beneficial to what we do in helping kids.
What do you guys think of the truck?
It's pretty sweet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Not too bad, right?
No, it's actually really nice. I'm from Idaho, so this will fit in perfectly.
Oh yeah? No way, the buyers are from Idaho.
Oh yeah, I heard that.
Yeah, that's funny. And so, I've got to chat a little bit to Dawson here because he's the real guy. This is Dawson's truck, and so what's your plan? This is going to be kind of your first vehicle?
Yes, I'm gonna learn manual on this truck, and I'm excited. I want to get my welding and diesel tech.
Dawson's got some cool plans for the future of working on this truck. Tell us a little bit about it.
We want to put a front and back bumper, some turbos.
How big of a turbo you want to go?
Big, as big as it can, because we're American badasses.
Hell yeah! From the start, our idea with this truck was to make it a functional DIY farm truck, and it's come a long way. For one thing, it's all one color, and that's huge. It also doesn't have the rust that it used to have. It's got fresh tires from Toyo, a lot of good things, but there's still something major missing for this to be an actual durable, usable truck. This bed desperately needs bed liner, and our friends up at Noco Line X are gonna help us out. So now you've gotten a chance to drive the truck a little bit. What's kind of your initial impression?
Man, this truck is a beast. I mean, it is a tank. It drives just like it should, just like you'd expect a truck of this vintage with this kind of suspension. And quite honestly, we are so excited to get it up and get it into some trouble. It's just super impressive of how tough it is. It's a tough truck. I'm sure my kids, we're gonna make a lot of great memories in this truck.
Those kinds of projects are some of the best time that you
work on it, go get stuck somewhere, take it up hiking, throw the scout crap in the back and go.
Just earlier, you actually took the truck off-road. Looking out the windshield, what was your thoughts?
It's a steep road. I watched this truck go up it when you were testing it, and I had the same thoughts. It's steep and it's pretty gnarly, really. But the truck handled it without. It could handle it without a driver. I think it just gobbled it up, and now I want to look for something more steep with more rocks and see if we can't get it stuck.
We had a great day of off-roading. The May family got to take their new truck out into the wilderness, and how was it?
It was fun.
It was a bumping. It was a bumping. We had a blast. It was great trail, beautiful scenery, perfect weather.
What's going to be really cool is it's goodbye to Gunsmoke for us here at TFL, but it's not necessarily goodbye to Gunsmoke because these guys are putting together their own website. Tell us a little bit about that.
So AmericanBadass.com will be about us doing really dumb things with the truck, and we're going to mod the truck and yeah.
Upgrade it?
Yeah, upgrade it.
Have some fun. Get it stuck.
Look out for that. That's going to be live soon, so these guys will be working on the truck and showing it, doing some cool stuff.
So now we have the whole story behind the truck. David, you first found the truck and you bought it for yourself, is that right?
I did. I bought it, what was it, nearly a year ago.
Yeah.
And I bought it for the camper. In the middle of the night, I just got this idea, saying, let's give this truck to TFL. They can get a lot of views and videos from it. And then at the end, we'll put it on auction and raise a little money for Mountain States Children's Home. Case, Tommy, I got to be great friends with you guys.
Well, we're glad you had the idea in regards to, you know, hey, donating it to TFL. You know, just great.
It's been a lot of
to
fun.
Us. I know that.
Yeah, been a blessing to you, been a blessing to me, because I got to, you know, meet these guys and have fun working on the truck. And Tommy learned a little bit, and so did Case, maybe. And I certainly did, because I didn't know how to paint anything. And we didn't do the greatest of paint job, but it doesn't look half bad.
It looks beautiful. It was great.
For a bunch of amateurs, we did all right, didn't we?
You know, they say that dogs are a man's best friend. I'm not sure about that. I kind of think that an old truck is a young boy's best friend, and now Dawson has a new best friend. And I tell you, I couldn't be happier that Gunsmoke found a new home, because there are a lot more stories and a lot more memories to make. As always, this is Roman reporting for the Fast Lane Truck. Check out TFLtruck.com for more news, views, and of course, Gunsmoke. Nope, make that 6-shooter reviews. See you guys next time. Ciao.
So we're close to pulling the fender off.
I need to just take them rivets all out. Oh, look at that.
My apologies. Can you hold
Here, let me hold the leg for you. Here, hold my beer.
Fighting
that big clip is still. Hold on. All right.
Give it a tug.
Here we go.